Good morning, students of class 3. Welcome to the first English class of the new session of class 3. Students, I'm sure all of you are happy and healthy. Students, please stay indoor and keep yourself safe. Students, in class 3, you've got two English textbooks. The first textbook is your Wordsworth English Reader, and the second textbook is your Superb English Grammar. You all should have these two textbooks and one English notebook. Students, grammar work will be doing in the English grammar book itself, and for all the written work of Wordsworth English Reader, we'll be using our English notebook. So, students, all of you, please ensure that you have both these English book and one single line English notebook for your English work. Fine. And students, please ensure that you all should cover both your English textbooks and your English notebook. Students, today I'm going to start with your Wordsworth English Reader book. So all of you, please take out your Wordsworth English Reader book, and today we are going to start with Lesson 1, The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Fine. So all of you, please take out your Wordsworth English Reader book. Turn the page to page number 7. Students, first of all, I'll be reading the new words of this lesson. I'll be explaining the meaning. You all please take out your English notebook, as you'll be writing these new words in your English notebook. Students, please ensure that your English notebook should be single line notebook. Fine. So, please take out your English book, that is your Wordsworth English Reader book, and your English notebook. Students, please ensure that you all use a HB pencil for writing the English work in your notebook. Please ensure that you write in a neat and clean handwriting. Try to write in a neat and clear handwriting. Please try to improve your handwriting from the first class itself. Fine. So, students, please take out your English notebook. Again, I'm repeating. Turn the page to page number 7. Now, students, there is a red margin line in your English notebook. Please ensure that you write the date on the line. Write the date 05-04-2021. Now, after that, on the red line, you will write Lesson 1. Please try to copy from the board. Please ensure that you spell all the words correctly. So, Lesson 1 on the red line. Then, on the next line, you'll write the name of the lesson, that is The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Fine. So, on the red line, you'll write Lesson 1, and in the next line, you'll write The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Fine. Now, after that, we'll start with the wow words. And the wow words are the new words of this lesson. So, all of you, please write again after writing the name of the lesson. from the left hand side, you'll write wow words. And students, the first new word of the lesson is graze. 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 And graze means to eat grass in a field. Graze, graze. And graze means to eat grass in a field. You all know that kettles, they graze in the field. बेटा जो कैटल्स होते हैं, गाय, भैंस, बकरी, भेड़, ये सब खेत में, फील्ड में घास चरते हैं. और चरने को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? ग्रेज. दैट इज GRAZE, ग्रेज. सो प्लीज राइट these new words in your English notebook, and please ensure that you'll write the new words, the wow words, with small letters, है ना? Please ensure that you do not start the word with a capital letter. We'll write the proper nouns only with capital letter. Rest of the words will be written with small letters. आपने देखा, I've written the word graze with all the small letters. So please try to copy correctly from the board, ensuring that you also write the words in small letters. Small GRAZE, graze. And graze means to eat grass in a field. Then the second word is pasture. PASTURE, pasture. And pasture means a land covered with grass, है ना? कोई भी जमीन जिस पे पूरी घास उगी हुई है, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? पास्चर. And वो field which is covered with grass, and generally cattle graze in such fields because they eat grass. So PASTURE is pasture. Pasture is a field covered with grass. A land, any piece of land covered with grass is known as pasture. Then the third word is dense. DENSE, dense. Dense means thick. हिंदी में हम जिसको बोलते हैं ना, बहुत घना. So dense means thick. DENSE, dense, है ना? बहुत घना, है ना? जैसे dense forest, वो forest है ना जहाँ पे बहुत आस पास में बहुत सारे पेड़ हैं, है ना? और उसमें अगर कोई एनिमल छुप जाएगा तो इतने पेड़ हैं कि इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू ट्रेस द एनिमल. तो कोई भी चीज जो बहुत घनी हो, है ना, उसको हम इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? डेंस. DENSE, dense, which means thick. THICK, thick. And as you can see that I'm writing all the words with small letters, so you also please do not start the words with capital letter. Try to write with small letters only. Please try to copy the correct spelling from the board. And please ensure that from the first class, first day itself, you write neatly. Fine. Then the fourth word is panicked. PANICKED, panicked. Panicked means to be afraid, है ना? घबराया हुआ. Panicked, घबराया हुआ, डरा हुआ. That means to be afraid. PANICKED, panicked. Panicked means to be afraid, है ना? I'm explaining the wow words first, so that when I read the lesson, when I explain the lesson, if you are aware with the meanings, if you are familiar with the meanings, if you know the meanings, it will be easier for you to understand the lesson. Then students, the fifth word is prank. PRANK, prank. Prank means trick, है ना? किसी को जब हम बेवकूफ बनाते हैं, बुद्धू बनाते हैं, उसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? प्रैंक. PRANK, prank. Prank means to trick. P-R-A-N-K, prank. Prank means to trick. Fine. Now, there are total 10 new words. So after the fifth word, use a scale, draw these two lines in the center so that you can write the remaining 5 words on the right side. Your work should look neat and we should not be wasting pages, as after the wow words, we'll be writing the word meanings below this only so that we do not waste any page. Fine. You must keep in mind that you're not supposed to waste the page. So, the first word is G-R-A-Z-E, grace. Grace. Then, the second word is P-A-S-T-U-R-E, pasture. The third word is dense, that is D-E-N-S-E, dense. The fourth word is panic, that is P-A-N-I-C-K-E-D, panicked. The fifth word is prank, that is P-R-A-N-K, prank. Now, the sixth word is frighten, F-R-I-G-H-T-E-N-E-D, frighten. And frighten means scared, डरा हुआ, है ना, डर जाना. F-R-I-G-H-T-E-N-E-D, frighten. All of us are frightened of the dark. अंधेरा हो जाता है तो डर लगता है ना. So डरने को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? Frighten, है ना. That means scared. The meaning of frighten is scared. S-C-A-R-E-D, scared. F-R-I-G-H-T-E-N-E-D, frightened is scared. Then the seventh word is enraged. E-N-R-A-G-E-D, enraged. E-N-R-A-G-E-D, enraged. Enraged means very angry, है ना. कोई बहुत गुस्सा हो जाता है तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? Enraged. E-N-R-A-G-E-D, enraged. E-N-R-A-G-E-D is enraged. Enraged means very angry. Then the eighth word is attacking. A-T-T-A-C-K-I-N-G, attacking. A-T-T-A-C-K-I-N-G, attacking. A-T-T-A-C-K-I-N-G, attacking. Attacking means to jump on someone. एकदम से किसी के ऊपर हमला कर देना, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Attacking. To jump on someone. Fine. A-T-T-A-C-K-I-N-G, attacking means to यहाँ पे किसी के ऊपर जंप करके उसके ऊपर हमला कर देना. Then the ninth word is regretted. R-E-G-R-E-T-T-E-D, regretted. R-E-G-R-E-T-T-E-D, regretted. Regretted means felt sad and sorry about something, है ना. जब हमसे कोई गलती हो जाती है और हमको अपनी गलती के बारे में सोच के हमको बुरा लगता है और हमें अपनी गलती के लिए सैड फील होता है, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? regretted. Regretted means well said and sorry about something, है ना. अपनी किसी भी गलती के लिए जब हम सैड होते हैं और हम रियलाइज करते हैं कि हाँ हमसे गलती हो गई, तो उस रियलाइजेशन को हम क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? रिग्रेटेड. REGRETTED, regretted. And then the last wow word of this lesson is sorrow. SORRROW, sorrow. SORRROW, sorrow. Sorrow means sadness, है ना? जो भी दुख है ना, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? sorrow. ठीक है? SORRROW, sorrow. और sorrow का ऑपोजिट क्या होता है? हैप्पीनेस, है ना? हैप्पीनेस खुशी, और उसका ऑपोजिट क्या हो जाएगा? sorrow, है ना? सो जहां पे मुझे जो ऑपोजिट भी याद आएगा, दैट ऑल्सो आई टेल you so that you can improve your vocabulary. Fine. So let's revise these 10 new words of lesson 1, The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Students, the first wow word, that is the new word of the lesson, is graze. And the spelling of graze is GRAZE, graze. And the meaning of graze is to eat grass in a field, है ना? जो गाय भैंस कैटल होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं? खेतों में, फील्ड में घास चरते हैं, और घास चरने को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? ग्रेज. दैट इज GRAZE, graze. Then the second word is pasture. PASTURE, pasture. And pasture means a land covered with grass. Pasture means a land covered with grass, है ना? जहां पे कैटल ग्रेस करते हैं वो कौन सी जगह होगी? वो लैंड जो पूरी ग्रास से कवर्ड हो, और उस लैंड को क्या बोलते हैं? पास्चर. और पास्चर में ही कौन ग्रेस करता है? कैटल. ग्रेस मीन्स चरना, एंड पास्चर मीन्स अ लैंड विच इज कवर्ड विथ ग्रास. ठीक है? नाउ द थर्ड वाव वर्ड ऑफ द चैप्टर is dense. That is DENSE, dense. DENSE, dense. Dense means thick. Dense means thick. Dense, thick. Then the fourth wow word of the lesson is panicked. PANICKED, panicked. And panicked means to be afraid, घबरा जाना, है ना? घबरा जाने को, हड़बड़ा जाना, घबरा जाना, उसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? panicked. That is PANICKED, panicked. Then the fifth word is prank. PRANK, prank. Prank means trick, किसी को बुद्धू बनाना, है ना? कहते हैं ना, अभी जैसे 1 अप्रैल गया तो 1 अप्रैल को सब ट्राई कर रहे होंगे कि हम किसको बेवकूफ बनाएं, किसको बुद्धू बनाएं, और किसी को फूल करने को, ट्रिक करने को हम क्या बोलते हैं? प्रैंक. दैट इज PRANK, प्रैंक. देन द सिक्स्थ वर्ड ऑफ द लेसन इज फ्राइटन. FRIGHTENED, फ्राइटन. And frighten means scared, है ना? बहुत ज्यादा डरा हुआ, उसको क्या बोलेंगे? frighten. FRIGHTENED, frighten. Then the seventh word is enraged. ENRAGED, enraged. Enraged means very angry. किसी पे बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा हो जाने को क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? enraged. Then the eighth word is attacking. And attacking means to jump on someone. किसी के ऊपर जंप कर पे उसको हमला कर देने को क्या बोलते हैं? attacking. आपने देखा ना, फाइट होती है तो अपोनेंट जो है क्या करता है? अपने अपोनेंट के ऊपर जंप करके ऊपर उसको अटैक कर देता है ना? So ATTACKING, attacking means to jump on someone. Then the ninth word is regretted. REGRETTED, regretted. And regretted means well said and sorry about something, है ना. जब कोई गलती हो जाती है ना, तो हमें उस अपनी गलती का एहसास होता है और हम सैड फील करते हैं. दैट इज नोन एज रिग्रेटेड. REGRETTED. Regretted means felt sad and sorry about something. Then the 10th word is sorrow. 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 And sorrow means sadness. जब बहुत ज्यादा दुख होता है तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Sorrow. So I'm sure all of you must have written these 10 wow words in your English notebook, keeping in mind that you need to write all these words with small letters, है ना. हम बेटा कोई भी word capital letter से start नहीं करेंगे. Please try to copy the correct spelling from the board. Fine. Or whenever you finish these wow words, please take out a scale, draw a parting line, and below this only we'll be starting with the word meanings. अब हमने ये जो 10 new words, wow words of the lesson लिख लिए हैं. अब इसी के नीचे से after drawing a parting line using a scale and a pencil, and please keep in mind that you draw this parting line on the line itself, है ना. आपकी जो single line notebook है, आप उसी एक line के ऊपर ये line parting line से draw कीजिए. And below this only we'll be starting with our word meanings. So I'm sure all of you have written these 10 wow words correctly in your English notebook. Draw a parting line, and now we'll be writing the word meanings below these wow words. Fine. So I hope everybody has written, students. Please revise. The first word is grace, second pasture, third dense, fourth panicked, fifth prank, sixth frightened, seventh enraged, eighth attacking, ninth regretted, 10th sorrow. Now below these wow words we'll be writing our word meanings. Fine. अब बेटा इसी के नीचे से हम अपने ये जो words हमने लिखे इनके meaning भी लिखेंगे. After that I'll be reading and explaining the lesson. Now below the wow words we'll be writing the word meanings. जो हमने words लिखे अब हम उनके meaning लिखेंगे बेटा. The first word is grace, and the meaning of grace is to eat grass in a field. What is the meaning of grace? To eat grass in a field. Grace means to eat grass in a field. Then the second word is, students, after writing the first word meaning, leave one line and then start with the second word meaning so that your work should look neat. The second word is pasture. PASTURE, pasture. And the meaning of pasture is a land covered with grass. The meaning of pasture is a land covered with grass. What is the meaning of pasture? A land covered with grass. Then the third word is dense. DENSE. Dense means thick, घना, जिसको हम कहते हैं ना thick, THICK, thick. Students, please keep in mind that you leave one line after each word meaning. Then the fourth word is panicked. 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 And panic means to be afraid. Panicked, to be afraid. Fine. घबराया हुआ, डरा हुआ. Fine. The first word is graze, which means to eat grass in a field. The second word is pasture, that is a land covered with grass. The third word is dense, which means thick. The fourth word is panicked, which means to be afraid. Now, the fifth word is prank, and the meaning of prank is trick. TRICK, trick. है ना. अभी 1 अप्रैल को फूल्स डे आपने मनाया होगा और आपने किसी को प्रैंक करने की, किसी को ट्रिक करने की कोशिश की होगी. So prank means trick. Then the sixth word is frighten. FRIGHTENED. Frighten means scared, डरा हुआ. SCARED, scared. Frighten, scared. Frighten, scared. Frighten, scared. Then the seventh word is enraged. Enraged means very angry. बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा होने को क्या बोलते हैं? Enraged. Enraged means very angry. Fine. Now, let's revise these 7 word meanings. Then I'll be erasing and writing the remaining 3 word meanings. Students, please keep in mind that you leave each line after writing the word meaning. The first word is graze. The meaning is to eat grass in a field. Graze, to eat grass in a field. The second word is pasture, meaning a land covered with grass. The third word is dense, which means thick. Dense, thick. The fourth word is panicked, which means to be afraid. The fifth word is prank, which means trick. The sixth word is frightened, which means scared. The seventh word is enraged, which means very angry. So now I'm going to erase the 7 word meanings and write the remaining 3 more word meanings of this chapter. And I'm sure all of you must be leaving one line after each word meaning, and you all must be writing neatly. Now, the 8th word is attacking. And attacking means to jump on someone. Attacking, to jump on someone. Attacking, to jump on someone. Then the 9th word is regretted. And regretted means felt sad and sorry about something. Felt sad and sorry about something. है ना. अपनी गलती के लिए बुरा लगना और गलती का एहसास होना, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Regretted. And the last word of this lesson is sorrow. Sorrow means sadness. Sorrow means sadness. And as I said, the opposite of sadness is happiness. Sorrow, the opposite is happiness. Fine. So we have written the 10 word meanings, and I'm sure all of you must have written the 10 wow words of this lesson, and below the wow words you must have written the 10 word meanings. Students, please ensure that you learn the spellings and the meanings. That's all for today, children. We'll be continuing this lesson in the next video. Till then, please ensure that you purchase both the English textbooks, that is the Wordsworth English Reader and the Superb English Grammar book for class 3, and you cover both the textbooks, and you should also have a single line English notebook for the written work. Fine. So that's all for today. Thank you, students. Have a good day ahead.